Hello dosto, my name is Deepak and I'm going to be your host for today's tax segment of our show. Today in our studio we have a famous certified public accountant from Fremont, none other than Sanjiv Gupta. Today with Sanjiv we are going to talk about moving money. I know that's a topic on everybody's mind. So if you're planning on sending money to India or thinking about moving money from India to United States, then this segment can be extremely useful to you. So let's get our answers from Sanjiv Gupta. Sanjiv ji, welcome to our show.
Good morning, Deepak, and good morning to all the viewers. Today's topic, what are ways of bringing money from India? I know there are a lot of confusion on that area. People they are not aware of the limitations and they are not aware of the incomes and other money sources, how to bring that money from there. So I just want to touch on the basic points on bringing money from India. So first of all is you can bring money from India, like if you transfer money from here to your NRA account, you can bring the same amount of money without any question the way you transfer from here. So if you transfer $10,000 from your account here to your NRA account in India, you can bring $10,000 back anytime without any question, without any permission. That's number one. Number second is the current account incomes. What do you mean by current account incomes? Current account incomes means any income arising from rent from a property or interest on CDs, any dividends from stocks, mutual funds and things like that. So if you have any current account incomes, you can repatriate that money from the NRA account without any question, without any limit, and there are no army permission required and no FEMA requirements. So you can bring that money from the NRA account or the current account incomes. The capital accounts basically is something which is monitored closely by the RBI and FEMA requirements. What are those? This consists of the money invested in real estate, money invested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and things like that. So, if you are investing in money in like a property, you can, and when you sell that property, you can bring that money up to $1 million from the NRA account, subject to a condition that you need a chartered accountant certificate. There are various forms, form number 5CA and form number 5CB, that needs to be filled out by a chartered accountant. And you can bring that money up to $1 million per year from that account. Any money more than that, you need a special permission, which is generally not so problematic to have. It's just a special forms that needs to be filled up with RBI. So these are the requirements. The problem usually comes in terms of the bank's internal regulations. Sometimes the banks, they have their own policies of transferring money from there. So I have said those things here today, but you may face problems, may face hurdles from the RBI, from the banks. Basically, not RBI. RBI is very clear on that. So banks' internal policies have those problems, and if you can talk to the bank, you can get the money transferred in the way I have told you today.
Well, thank you, Sanjeev ji. So, friends, if you are thinking about sending money to India or thinking about moving money from India to United States, then you should definitely consider two people. One is obviously your financial advisor, someone like Sanjiv Gupta, and B, your bank, because it can get tricky. A lot of taxation can come into play both in India and United States, so it's always a good idea to get some guidance on that. And if you're looking for a phone number for Sanjiv Gupta, I can give it to you right now. That number is 510-825-7563. 510-825-7563, or you can visit him online at sanjeevcpa.com. Sanjeev ji is located in Fremont on Paseo Padre, and his office is right next to Fremont BART. So it's very easy, very convenient. He's open 6 days a week, so very easy to get hold of. Once again, that number is 510-825-7563. We'll be back next week, same time, and ask some more useful questions to Sanjeev and get our answers. Till then, goodbye and thank you.